Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this electric spin scrubber. I already had this electric spin scrubber for 6 months now, and this thing works great whenever I clean my toilet, my shower, even the tile floors in the bathroom and in the kitchen. So let me show you how this works. So this is a 2-piece. So if you press this button here, you're able to make it smaller if you need to make it smaller. If you press this button here, this extends if you need to make it longer, and it retracts. You go like this, long or short. So this is how the handle looks. This is your on and off button. You press it once, it spins, and then you finish it again, it spins even faster. This is where you charge it with the USB-C charger. And it has a nice cover to keep it waterproof. This is how the front looks. It comes with these different attachments. It has your wide brush. It has this brush here. It has 2 soft pads. It has a smaller bristle and 2 rougher pads that attaches to here. So all you do is just turn it on, and then you're able to scrub the whole brush, and you're able to use this to scrub all the dirty surfaces on your toilet seat without having to dirty your hands. Overall, this is a great electric spin brush. I like how easy it is to clean your toilets, your showers, your sinks, your tile floors, everything that you could clean with this. I also like the wand, how it expands to either a handheld or to use as a brush or a mop. I like all the attachments that it comes with, so it makes my cleaning a lot easier and more efficiently.